Okay, I'm good. Let's go! Yeah, yeah, we bring the stars out. We bring the women and the cars and the cards out. Let's have a toast, a celebration, get a glass out. And we can do this until we pass out. Yeah,
won't come down until we hit the ground.
Yeah, pass out.
Yeah, I'm in charge now. I'm a star and I brought my cast out. I live a very, very, very wild lifestyle. Heidi and Audrina, eat your heart out. I used to listen to you, don't wanna bring arms out. I've got so many clothes, I keep some in my aunt's house. Disturbing London, baby, we about to branch out. Soon I'll be the king like Prince Charles. Yeah, yeah, and there ain't nobody fresher. Semester to semester, raving with the freshers. 20 light bulbs around my table and my dresser. CLC compressor, just in case that don't impress her. Say hello to Dexter, say hello to Uncle Fester. Got him gazing at my necklace and my crazy sun protectors. G-Shocks, I got a crazy dumb collection. Haters, I can't hear your reception. Yeah, yeah, we bring the stars out. We bring the women and the cars and the cards out. Let's have a toast, a celebration, get a glass out. And we can do this until we pass out.
Let it go away. We won't come down until we hit the ground.
Pass out. Yeah, she was meant to last me 24 hours, right?
Yeah, they say hello, they say hola, and they say bonjour. I never got to fly on a Concorde. I've been Southampton, but I've never been to Scunthorpe. I'm crazy with the kicks, call me Jean-Claude. I'm about to be a bigger star than my mum for. Cause every day I got a groupie at my front door. Now I drive past the bus I used to run for. Where's my clap, where's my encore? I walk alone, cause I was born alone. I chops her just for fun, I'll never ever call her phone. I leave her in the club, I'll never ever walk her home. D.O. the foundation, I'm the cornerstone. I'm very famous, I'm sorta known. And if your son doesn't, I bet your daughter knows. Check out my visual, check out my audio. Extraordinary, yo, hope you enjoy the show.
Yeah, we bring the stars out. We bring the women and the cars and the cards out. Let's have a toast, a celebration, get a glass out. And we can do this until we pass out.
Let it go away. We won't come down until we hit the ground.
Pass out.
Look at me up in the cheeky man, and look at all the drama we started. Now I'm in here laying on my back, saying DJ, what you give me?